We're here on site today with Kirsty Brown from Brisbane and Bayside Garage Doors. We're going to go behind the scenes with one of her dream projects and also find out a bit more about what makes Kirsty tick as an individual and also a businesswoman. The great thing about Kirsty is her dynamic personality. She's embraced many of the things that we've recommended at ProTrade United since she's joined, from her leadership development through to understanding her numbers, to marketing and developing her team, to the point where she took out the 2021 Business of the Year award at our annual business gala. Let's go and meet Kirsty.
So the backstory of Brisbane and Bayside Garage Doors, we're a family-run business. Mum and Dad started it around about 40 years ago, and they were originally a manufacturer, and then they went just to supplying and installing and servicing garage doors throughout Brisbane. I took over from them about 5 years ago and have been running the business since then. So this is a project we're doing for Solido Builders. They're doing a $7 million renovation here, and we won the tender through Liam, our rep, and we've got 5 doors here. So the dream project would be to doing these all the time, would be the dream project, but we're looking at those higher end quality doors. That's what we want to be pushing. So we've been B&D accredited dealers for nearly 20 years now, so it's all about quality product, quality install, that sort of thing.
So Kirsty, one of the things that we talk about at ProTrade is to help people make good buying decisions. And so you've got a little secret weapon here. I wouldn't mind having a look inside if that's all right.
Yep, of course. This is one of our 4 mobile showrooms that we have. So if you open up the back here, they've got a working door on the inside here, so we can show customers on site.
Wow.
And this is an example of what you'd call the best door. So this is an icon, so you can see the seals, the door operates.
Yep.
And also inside here as well. So you've got your colour, that's an olive ball finish, which is quite popular. And then you've got your auto locks and everything there, so we can show the customers on site exactly what they're going to get.
Yes.
An operating door, they can touch the style, the finish and colour and everything as well.
Beautiful.
So the vans itself have got every ColourBond colour and everything in there that are actual ColourBond. So
let's go around
Let's go around and have a look.
Yeah.
So on here we've got all our ColourBond colours, and these are actual ColourBond steel. So rather than just the little swatches that are paper, this is proper ColourBond. You can hold that up against your house, you'll know exactly what colour it's going to come in the door.
Fantastic.
When you're getting such a big object, you want to make sure you're getting the right colour.
So there's probably no reason why you can't help these people with any of the queries and questions they've got on site.
On site, the plan is to get them on site sold in the driveway, because you've got everything there, you can answer all the questions. Our guys do extensive training on measuring and everything up for you, doing the quotes here, they give it to you when you're on site, FPOS machine to go ahead with the sale and then get it ordered so you can get that door as quick as possible. So when I don't have my kids, I'm a night owl. When I have my kids, I'm an early bird. None of the above. Beer or V? Bush. Shawshank Redemption. Healing. Milwaukee. My best mate Mick, Johnny Depp, and Marilyn Monroe. Trust your gut. The Freedom. You're not fat and you've got this.
So that was Kirsty from Brisbane and Bayside Garage Doors. It's great fun, she's really passionate, she's straight to the point, but that's also what's helped her become such a successful businesswoman, and we wish her all the very best as she continues her journey, and we enjoy working with her at ProTrade United. We'll catch you next time.